Today I'm going to show you how I make my own version of a salad dressing, or pretty much anything that you like. This one my mother-in-law brought from a fruit stand in Washington. So what I do is I look at the ingredients on the back, and this one is, I won't tell you all of them, just the main ones that I'm going to use. Cane sugar, soybean oil, water, apple cider vinegar, distilled vinegar, mustard, which is vinegar, mustard seed, and water, onion, salt, onion powder, poppy seed, paprika, chili powder, dehydrated onion, and then there's some, preservatives and some citric acid. So what I do is I start with the first ingredient and go down. With the first ingredient, what I do is I do the most. So cane sugar, I would put more cane sugar than anything else in here, which I'm not going to do because I don't want that much sugar in mine. So I'm just going to start. I've got a little blender cup here because I'm going to blend this all together when I'm done. So this is pure organic cane sugar. I'm going to put, I don't know, that's probably half an inch in here. Next is soybean oil. I'm not going to use soybean oil. That's definitely genetically modified, and I don't want that. This is, I was going to use another oil, but I accidentally was going to refill it, and I poured vinegar in there instead of oil. So this particular one, we're going to use peanut oil, which I at least know isn't GMO. I've been trying to just use all olive oil, but I don't want to waste the oil I have, so I guess I'll use it here. I'm going to put about another half an inch of oil in there. I don't know if this is going to be enough, but we will see. After that, the next ingredient is apple cider vinegar. It's water, actually. I'll just wait until the end and add a splash of water. So, next one is vinegar, which for me, if I don't have equal parts vinegar to oil, it's not going to work, or more vinegar, so maybe it's their water that's helping, but I'm going to add in about equal parts vinegar also. Next is mustard, which none of my mustard is just mustard seed and vinegar, so I'm just going to put a palmful of mustard seeds in there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a palmful. It's probably a little less than a tablespoon, maybe a teaspoon. That's funny that they have more mustard in here than onion. Not for me. I'm going to put, I took a sweet Walla Walla onion because this is a Washington dressing, so I'm sure that's the kind of onions they're using. I cut and quartered this onion, and I'm just putting a quarter in because it's a pretty big onion. After onion, next ingredient is salt. I just have some kosher salt. Hi, Benny. Oh, sugar. Not a good idea. Okay, I'm back. I got a splash of water too while I was at it. This is 3 tablespoons, I guess. A little more. And salt. I like to go a little easy on the salt, especially because there's vinegar in here, so it's just a big pinch. And we've got onion powder and dehydrated onion. I think I'm just going to put dehydrated onion. This is my dehydrated onion. It's actually part of the 25-pound bag of Walla Walla onions I got. And I dehydrated them myself. I'm just going to put a hefty amount in there because I like them. And then we have poppy seed. Just going to take a healthy handful of those, probably a teaspoon. Paprika. The dog's all upset over there. Might be a little too much. Let's do half a teaspoon of paprika. Chili powder. We'll do a little less chili powder than paprika. And then the citric acid, I'm just going to put a little squeeze of lemon. This doesn't have garlic in it, and that kind of disappoints me, so I'm going to go grab a clove of garlic real quick. Okay, no clove of garlic. I'm going to get one out here. This is garlic I got on Etsy because here in Idaho, the garlic farms hadn't started harvesting yet when I ordered this pound. And this one was actually from Arizona because they're warm and they can grow things year round. I didn't get a chance to grow garlic this year. I wish this was also my garlic I was putting in here. Actually, none of this stuff was mine. Disappointing. Next year I'll have a lot more going. Oh, sorry. This is stupid. You don't want to watch me peel garlic. Okay. Just give it a little pop. Okay. This doesn't look like it's going to be much, but let's add a little more vinegar and oil. Just now I'm going to go blend this up. Okay, so it's blended up. Side by side, mine is more of a Thousand Island color, and yours is more what you orange. Maybe I need more paprika or some other kind of onion. I used a yellow onion, but it's Walla Walla sweet onion and poppy seed dressing. So I'm thinking I need probably some more paprika and chili powder. I'll add a little more. Maybe we'll just go with paprika. We don't want it to be too chili. That one is chili. This lid is supposed to be warm. Very sweet things. This will be didn't seem to darken it up. maybe propylene glycol alginate is orange. But if you ever want to make your own version of a salad dressing of a healthier way, where you know where your ingredients come from, that's what I do. I've done it with barbecue sauce also. I made my own Alfredo sauce, pasta sauce, anything that you can read the ingredients on the back and you can get the majority of those ingredients or something like it. You can do this too. If you like this video, let me know and I will make more like it.